So here we are once again with another game review, and this time we will play A Cat's Vacation. So we will play right away. Hello, Bobo. I can sense you're a bit confused, so I'm here to help. First of all, you need to escape from this cell. If you press T, press T. Ah, the tasks. Okay. Press WASD on the whisker. Okay. So I can move around. All cats can liquefy. Time to whisker out of the cage with the left click. Okay, so it's okay, so it's basically an instant liquidification. And then because I'm in a liquid, I can go through everything. So nice. Okay, new task. I think that pause on shift to sprint. Okay, and I think that with space I can jump. Let me guess. It looks like the bottom of the shelf is key to open the door. Perhaps we can toss something on the ground to reach it. This. Let's see. Okay, I think that it's supposed to go here. I need to go here, okay. Okay, let me see the task. The button on the shelf. Okay, that one. So, press E to hide. Of course, because as a liquid you can enter into glasses. Okay, so this one was pushable. Okay, nice. So, okay, I need to do some platforming here and get over here, jump here. Okay, there is something. Sprint push because okay, so I can jump. Oh, there is spike nearby. The eye on the top of the screen helps you see what he's doing. Okay, green eye safe. Your lights let this trying to find you. Red light spikes for you. You need to run. Press R to exit. Okay, so distract the dog. Toss items to him and liquefy near some object, like that glass, okay, that I saw, to hide inside them. Use cat senses to find perfect interactables. Okay, so these are the... Okay. Okay, so all the interactable... all the interactable things I can use it to hide. Okay. Okay, so what do we have here on the next door? Okay. Okay, everything seems so fine. Okay. Okay, here is the human. It's a cat as well. It's the dog. Okay. So, okay. He saws me. Okay, I need to run and hide. Okay, very straightforward mechanism. Okay, okay, it says that I need something to distract him. Okay, so there are more bottles that I can hide. Okay, that's good. Okay, I can just go here. I can just go there. Maybe I can push this thing. Okay, so with sprint I can push it. But right now I'm just blocking the... it's okay. Okay, I'm thinking about something. Oh, there is something else here to interact. Oh god. Okay. Okay, we need to wait up until he can move safely. Okay, now I'm good. Okay, so there is... Oh god, it's here. Oh god. Okay, don't know if right now it's moving on in that room or that will just go away. Okay, he went away. No, no. Damn it. So, okay, there is... Okay. I've taken the toast. Okay, toss item to lure him and liquefy with the E. Okay, carefully launch a buff fill so you get your zoomies and possibly expose yourself. Okay. Ah, oh no, okay. Okay, he blocks you in. Okay. It's very cute that. Hmm. Okay. Okay, it takes sometimes to make him go away from the room. Okay, maybe it's the time to. Okay, so. Okay, so once we. Okay, I've collected the toss, but. Oh god. I need to. I collected the toss, but I need to find a way to use those toss. The cat sentence doesn't work, so I'm trying to press it, but it doesn't do anything. And there's some. Okay, okay, so it just stays there, which is pretty bad for me. No, 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 not the camera. Damn it. Okay, it's weird that on this part the camera, yeah, like this, behaves strangely. I've taken those pieces, but I don't know what to do. Can I jump over here? Yes, okay. Yes. Now. Oh, wait, I can just run. Nice. Okay, the dog hysterical is imprisoning of female friends. Time to outsmart him and bring justice to the persecuted. Okay. Okay, we have no room here. Above the prison is a recreational area. The door is a ticket, and then the mysterious button is the key to future paradise. Okay, so we need to get to this button here. But I can see that. Oh, okay. Can I just go? Can just go away because of these pickers? Okay, very weird. Okay, can I jump here? I can jump here. Oh, I can. Okay, it's very hard to maneuver here. And also, don't know what's happening here because... okay, I think that these things blocks me off, which is a bit weird. But anyway. So even here, yeah. But these are the toasters. So yeah, these are the toasters, so I'm expecting to put the toast in there, but I can't access them. Okay, so there are other ways that I can go. Let's see. Ah, okay, I forgot that I can just liquefy. Okay, so I need to liquefy. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, it's weird that you had to liquefy in order to pass through these pickles. I mean, it makes... I don't know if it makes sense or not. Okay, so you can just press the button, I can open. Okay, more pickles here, so... Other humans here? Other dogs here? Human dogs? No, but I can liquefy. So we will see why. Okay, we have a new... Okay, let's find a way to get up here. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay. Ah. Okay, I missed a dialogue here that helped me before. But anyway, regardless. So, okay, what can we do here? Okay, I can jump around. Okay, sharpen my claws. Okay. Okay, new task. Don't restart, cut the rope with your claws, but first sharpen them. There are four scratcher around. Okay, so I need to... Okay, there is one here. Aha, you can see me. This is bad for me. Run. There is another scratcher there. Okay. Okay, there is a scratch over there, so I need to go back. Okay, but... avevo. Okay, I block there, and then I can go. What can I do? Maybe I can... Ah, damn it. Okay, where do I start? Okay. So I start here and I need to find the scratches. Okay, got it. So there is one there and... wait a minute. You can... Okay, we know that the first one is there. I can go through here, but here is blocked. There is one over there. One over here. No, I don't know. What is that? What are the other ones? I want to find those ones so badly. Okay, so okay, we start with this one. So here we sharpen. Okay. So the human starts arriving. Let's see. Now I get it. I need to push these things around. Maybe activate it. Yeah, yes. Okay. Now we have 2 or 4. Okay. Okay, the third one. Okay, I mean, I think that it's the same trick. I need to push things around to open that thing. Or maybe I can just jump here and liquefy. Yes. Oh, there is another cat. Yeah, there are other cats here. Okay, I have a box. And now I need to find the fourth one. Okay, I need to use this box to get around here. Okay, if it's me over there, but I don't think it can reach me here, so I'm kinda safe here, but at the same time I need to get out of here. I can just go here. No? Nope. So how can I... Okay. Okay. No. And liquefy. No, it's missing. Vent. Okay. So let's try to be smarter this time. Okay, one there, one not there. Okay, there is one. It's down here. You can go here. Now I get. Okay, so I will start with. Let me think. Okay, let's be smart. So before taking the first one, we just set up everything here. So we push one here. Okay, so that one is ready. Okay, that is the exit. So what we need to do is we go here first because this one is harder than to exit later on. So we sharpen here. Okay, so okay, he sees me through here, but he can do no. Can actually make this jump? Yes. Okay. So we maybe do this one because he can't actually see me through here. So this is like a safe spot. Now we do the jumping one because it can be hard to perform, especially if arrives. And then we go away. Okay. We hide. Okay, he stopped. And now we just need to go around him and get to the last one. Hopefully. Okay, we are safe from now. Use this box to hide. Oh, it's a very nice trick. Okay, run, 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 run. I did it. Okay, I get all the 4 ones so I can just go away. But I need to find the perfect time to run, which is now. Okay, nice. I did it. Okay, that was very fun to play, this game. I didn't see so much of the liquify part, which I expected to be more of that, to be honest. But the fact that there are other ways you can move around and do your thing, move around and complete the areas, it's also fine. There is, I really liked this last part because you have to really to think about the order. Because as soon as you take the first one, you scratch on the first thing, the dog arrives. So yeah, it's a very fun game. There has to be potential in maybe future levels, and also I suggest to focus more on the liquify part because it's I mean, the fact that you can hide in the bottles is also part of the liquify thing. But the action itself to press the left button, the left the left button on the mouse, and liquifying that way, there should be more ways that you can use it during the levels. But aside from that, it's very good the game, and I love the team, the cat, so it's very cute. Yeah, so the only major issues there are nothing. It's very it's polished in this way. The only big suggestion I might say is to focus more on the liquefaction. Cioè, most stuff you can do, cioè, more levels that you have to use liquefaction, among also other things. And also the because the blocks apart, it's weird. I mean, I don't know, maybe cats don't like pickles, so that's why you can. But the fact you can just jump over there, it's weird. That's just my impression. Anyway, I nothing else to say, so I will stop the recording here.